This is I bought cylinder gel crystal for drying my flowers. Yeah, I'm gonna dry today these flowers. I show you how to do it. Let's start it.
I was lost in the woods under dust, and the fairies found me. And they led the way, they cleared the way to my heart.
And also comes with instruction. Flower drying cylinder gel crystal user guides. It's here. It tells you all information how to use these crystals, yeah, and it has a picture as well.
Carried me, they clear the way to my heart. Thank you to magic for rescuing me. Thank you to summer for fairies, blowing glitter in the wind. I had fallen head first into love with another complete stranger, and he robbed away, taking most of me when he left. When mama told me to keep far from these underhanded men.
So I'm gonna leave them for 3-4 days, and after I show you results. Okay? See the flowers.
Brighter than the sight of a newlywed bride. Oh, thank you to magic for rescuing me. Thank you to summer for fairies.
So guys, that's my first experiment. I'm really happy, especially these flowers and this one. Absolutely beautiful. It's very sunny today, but all the flowers are so beautiful. If you see, they're so tiny, but they're gorgeous. The result is absolutely stunning. Your flower dry as you want. Beautiful.
And I'd be lost in the woods yet today if they wouldn't have found me. I don't dare to think about what I would have been without them.